Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about setting goals, how to set specific, achievable goals for your studies. Tip 1. Make your goals smart, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. This means your goals should be clear and specific, with a way to measure your progress, be realistic and achievable, be aligned with your overall objectives, and have a timeline for completion. Tip 2. Break down your goals into smaller, more manageable tasks. This can help you focus on one thing at a time and make progress consistently. Tip 3. Set deadlines for completing each task. This can help you stay motivated and accountable. Tip 4. Make a plan for how you will achieve your goals. Identify the resources you will need, such as books, study materials, or help from a tutor, and allocate time for studying and completing tasks. Tip 5. Celebrate your progress and accomplishments. Recognizing the progress you have made can help you stay motivated and focused. Tip 6. Review and revise your goals regularly. Make sure your goals are still relevant and achievable, and adjust your plan as needed. I hope these tips are helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe.